All right, so I'm hoping that we get some pretty good footage here. This is a different point of view. So the point of view that you last saw was further back this way. However, this is now going to be picking up from where the other camera left off to right about here. And you'll see us traveling all the way this way, which at this point, we're approximately at this point, we're approximately 75 feet, between 50 and 75 feet from the actual point of collision. What you'll be able to see here is like there and there, you can see which cars are in the left lane, which cars are in the right lane. We're going to go to the time of 15:46, approximately 19 seconds, 15:46, approximately 19 seconds. And you're going to be able to see that clearly I was following the white minivan or SUV, and right behind me was the at-fault driver, and then followed by a silver charcoal truck. So we're going to proceed to that point. Let's see. So we'll just play it from here. It's a minute out. And like I said, we'll be coming north, which is on the far left of the screen, heading south to the far right of the screen. So there you go. There's a car in the right lane, car in the left lane. And we've got about 30 seconds now. You'll see a truck pulling a flatbed trailer. It's like a silver truck pulling a flatbed trailer, and that's right before we come into the point of view. And that's from the left side of the screen, which is north, to the right side of the screen, which is south. There's the truck with the flatbed. We should be coming into camera view. There I am, both of us in the left lane. All three of us in the left lane. You can see the traffic start to halt immediately after the collision, which I said, like stated, was about 50 feet to 75 feet, just right there. There's no way possible that I could make a lane change or cut him off. Thank you.